Hello Facebook friends, it's Monday morning. I thought I would show you my living room to start off the week. This is my bench right by the front door. I got it at a garage sale and I painted it white. It was dark mahogany. I made all my pillows in my room. My curtains here came from Home Goods. They tie my taupe walls and my new trendy gray accessories together nicely, so I didn't have to repaint. My sofa, again, I was able to, when I shortened the curtains, I was able to use some of the fabric with my pillows, making them look more custom. Another thing I wanted to encourage you to do is think outside the box. This is an old crate with some old spindles and a little wooden box on top, and I was able to make a cute little end table out of just things that I found in the garage. My sister gave me this cabinet. I painted it. It really is functional in this corner. It hides a lot of junk. A little swan up there who's terracotta. I bought in a lot of terracotta little pieces and painted them to make them look like concrete. Terracotta is not very trendy right now, so you can really get them at a cheap price at garage sales and thrift stores. Everything over here, including my fireplace mantle, is all repurposed. I found it at garage sales or thrift stores, etc. And I love to decorate that way. It's really fun. Coming over here on the other side of my living room is another sofa, a big panel from a piece of furniture I turned into a chalkboard. I did want to show you these sweet little buttons that my husband made me out of a cherry tree that we had in the backyard. He cut the branch and drilled little holes, and I was able to use them as buttons. He's such a sweetheart. I have this really super patinaed, I think it's a drawer from an old factory. I put it on the table. Speaking of the table, it's a big coffee table that was dark wood, had a bunch of metal on it. I took the metal off, painted it white. The piece over here was a patio table, which the top was rotten. So I brought the base in, added a new top, which was part of an old kitchen table, wooden, and I painted it. The candle holders, the angels, were gold from Christmas. I found them at a thrift store. I painted them. The pedestals were just terracotta. I made them look like concrete. My sister gave me this wonderful mannequin, which I've hung all my collected rosaries. They're so beautiful. Another wonderful piece that I have is that arched window. $5. What a find. A beautiful chair that I painted. Got it at a garage sale. This piece here is actually the top of a hutch. I added some feet. I found those feet on an ottoman by the side of the road, and I added them to the hutch. And it makes it look like a full piece of furniture, not just the top of a hutch sitting in your living room, which is a great idea. I got the hutch for free, so hey, and I got the feet for free. So that's really a good deal. If you have any questions about any little items in my room that you have, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to take a terracotta piece and paint it and make it look like concrete, we can do that together. Just let me know. I would love to do that with you. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to do something fun in your decorating. Love you guys. Bye.